What if you could ditch the 9 to 5 for good? I felt trapped, but then I found this game changer, a tiny house on wheels. I used to be stuck in one place, totally bummed. Now I can literally wake up with a different view daily. Freedom unlocked. This tiny house lets you explore nature without sacrificing comfort with compact and mobile design. I thought tiny meant cramped. Nope, this thing has everything. Bedroom, kitchen, bathroom, fully loaded. Like a regular house, but mobile. Experience the fully equipped interior. I went full eco-warrior. Solar panels? Check. Water saving? Double check. It's off-grid living ready. I'm living that sustainable life, besties. Save the earth. I drove through a monsoon and thought I'd die, ha ha ha. But this tiny house is tough. Durable and weather-resistant, built to last, no cap. It's smaller than my old apartment, felt like a downgrade at first. But it is smart. Space-saving solutions everywhere, like a puzzle game. Perfect for nature lovers like me. Worried about hauling this thing? Don't be. Easy. And the easy setup and towing makes it a breeze. Mountains, beach, forest, wherever I vibe, it goes. I found my peace, you should too. Click the link below and snag your own tiny house today. Don't sleep on this.